We had a terrible wind last night. I spent all morning trying to put my garden back together. These cushions were blown out. My cross on the front was blown down. A lot of things are not in the place I left them. But the big thing that happened is this big tree. The whole top blew out of it. My neighbor said he heard it about 7 o'clock this morning. I didn't hear it. But look how big this chunk is that came out. The whole top of the tree came out. It was a living tree. Look at that big chunk. It came out of this tree out over here. See if we can get where you can see. There's where it broke right there. There's still one little piece hanging up. But you see it was a great big tree at the bottom. And now it's laying over there. That's how far the wind blew it.